So today we'll solve exercise number 7.4. The first question is, okay, so we'll solve the first question, that is 56a to the power 4 b square, and we have to divide this term by 14a square b. So first we have to factorize this a whole term. So 56 is the factor of this. 56 will come in the 14 4s are 56 into a to the power 4. So we'll write a 4 times and b to the power 2. So we'll write b 2 times, divide by 14. We'll write a 2 times and b 1 time. Now we can divide 14 with 14. We can cut a with a and b with b. So the remaining term will be 4a square and 1b is remaining, so b. This is our answer for the a question. Now we'll solve the b question. Minus 36 x square y square z to the power 4 by 9xy z square. So again we have to factorize this term in the terms of 9, so it will be easy to divide for us. So if we factorize this term, then it will become 9 4s are 36 into x square, so we will write x 2 times, and y square, so y 2 times, and z to the power 4, so we will write z 4 times, divide by 9x y, and we'll write z 2 times. Now we can cut 9x y and z will cut 2 times. So the remaining term will be 4, but here there is minus, so we'll write minus 4. X is for 1 time, y is also for 1 time, and z is 2 times, so z square. This is our answer for the b question. We'll solve c question. 48 p to the power 4 q to the power 4 r to the power 4 divided by minus 36 p square q square r square. Okay, now we have to divide or factorize this term 48. So we can write it in the terms of 12 4s are 48 into p to the power 4. So we can write p 4 times, q 4 times, and r 4 times. We divide these with minus 36. Now we have to write minus 36, so we can write these 36 in terms of 12. So 12 3s are 36 into p 2 times, q 2 times, and r 2 times. We can cut 12 with 12. 2 times p will be cut, 2 times q will be cut, and 2 times r will be cut. So the remaining term, here there is minus, so we can write minus 4. Here the remaining terms are p square, q square, and r square divided by 3. So this is our. Now we'll solve the d question, that is a to the power 4 b square c cube d, which will be divided by a b c d. Simply we have to write a 4 times, b 2 times, c 3 times, and d 1 time, and this whole term will be divided by a B, C and D. A will cut one time, B will cut one time, C and D. So the remaining term will be A to the power 3, B 1 and C to the power 2. This is your answer for the B question. Okay, so now we will solve the E question, that is 77 p square q to the power 3 and r to the power 2, and this will be divided by 66 p to the power 4 q4 and r to the power 4. So simply we will write these 77 in terms of 11. 11 sevens are 77 into p we will write 2 times, q we will write 3 times and r we will write 2 times, and this term will be divided by 66. So 11 6 are 66 into p 4 times, q 4 times and r 4 times. Okay, 11 we can cut, 2 times p can be cut, q will be cut for 3 times and r will be cut for 2 times. Okay, so the remaining term will be, on the numerator it will be 7 and in the denominator it will be 6. P we can write p square, q is only 1 times and r is for 2 times, so we'll write r square. So this is your answer. F question is minus 39 x to the power 4 y z square, and we have to divide these by 3x square y square z square. 39 we can write it as 13 3s are 39 into x we will write 4 times into y into z we will write 2 times, and this will be divided by 3x 2 times, y 2 times and z 2 times. Now we can cut 3 by 3 and x will cut 2 times, y we can cut 1 time and z we can cut 2 times. So the remaining term will be minus 13 x to the power 2, and in the denominator it will be y is remaining for one time and z is cut already. So this is our answer for the F question. So the G question is 12 x to the power 8 yz by minus 24 x square y square z. So here we'll write 12 only, into x we will write 8 times and y into z, and this will be divided by 24 minus 24. So we can write 24 in the terms of 12, so it will be 12 2s are 24 into x will write 2 times, y 2 times and z 1 time. 12 will be cut by 12, x we will cut for 2 times, y will be cut for 1 time and z will be cut. So the remaining term for the numerator will be, x is remaining for the 6 times, so we'll write x to the power 6, and here minus is remaining, so we'll put minus and divided by 2 y. So this is our answer. H question, that is 51 a square b to the power 4 c to the power 6 by 119 a b to the power 5 c square. Now this both number comes in the table of 17, so we can write these both terms in the terms of 17. So 17 3s are 51 into A we will write 2 times, B we will write 4 times, and C 6 times. Okay, and this term will be divided by 119. 17 sevens are 119. A B will be written 5 times, C 2 times. We can cut 17 by 17. A will be cut, B will be cut 4 times, and C will be cut 2 times. So the remaining term is 3A. Here C is remaining for 4 times. So C to the power 4 divided by 7B. This is our answer for the... Okay. So now we will solve the second question, that is divide the polynomial by the monomial. So the first question, the eighth question is 14a square minus 16ab, and we have to divide this term by 2a. So first we have to take out whatever we can take common from this term. So from this we can take first we can factorize it in the form of like 2 sevens are 14 a square minus here 2 8s are 16 ab. Okay, so we can see that 2 is common in both the terms, so we can take out 2 common. So if we take 2 common, the remaining term, also here we can see that here a square and here a is there, so we can take out a also common from this. So we can take 2a common, and the remaining term will be 7a minus 8b. Okay, so we have to now divide this term by 2a. So if we divide this by 2a, 7a minus 8b divided by 2a, we can cut out 2a. So our answer will be 7a minus 8b. Now we will solve the second question, that is the bth question, which is 36x cube plus 18x square minus 54x, and we have to divide these by 18x. If you see this whole term, then this is the already the multiple of 18. So if we take out write these three terms in the terms of 18, then this is 18 2s are 36 x cube plus 18 is itself 18 x square minus 18 3s are 54 x. We can see we can take out 18x common from this. So if we take out 18x common, so the remaining term here will be 2x square. Here the remaining term will be x minus, here the remaining term will be 3. Okay, and we have to divide these by 18x. So if we divide these by 18x, so 18x 2x square plus x minus 3 divided by 18x. 18x will be cut, so the answer will be 2x square plus x minus 3. Now the next question is C question, which is 4x to the power 4 minus 3x cube plus 2x square, and we have to divide these by 2x. Okay, now if we have to take out common, here we have to take, we can take x square common in these. So if I take out x square common, then here 4x4. So here the remaining term will be 4x square minus 3x plus 2, and we will divide these by 2x. Okay, so also we need 2 here, so we have to take out 2 common from this. So if we take out 2 also common from this, then 2x square will out 4x square. So if I take out 2 from this, then the remaining will be 2x square minus. Here there is no 2, so we have to divide 2 from this term, plus here the 1 will be remaining, and this will be divided by 2x. So if I put 2x square minus 3x divided by 2 plus 1, and if I divide this term by 2x, then 2 will be cut and x will be cut for one time. So the answer will be, if I multiply x inside, so we'll get 2x cube minus 3x square divided by 2 plus x. This is your answer for Cth question. Okay, so the next question is D question. 2p to the power 4 q to the power 6 minus 6p cube q to the power 5, and we have to divide these by 2p square q square. Okay, so we have to take out common from these two terms. If we take out common, then we can take out p to the power 3 and q to the power 5. 2p cube q to the power 5. So the remaining term will be here p for one time and q will be remaining here, and minus 2 3s are 6, so here 3 will be remaining, and as already we have taken out p cube and q to the power 5 from this, so here only 3 will be remaining, and we have to divide these by 2p square q square. We'll write this again, 2p cube q to the power 5 p cube minus 3 divide by 2p square q square. 2 will be cut, p square will be cut, so here only one p will be remaining, and if we cut q 2 times, so here only 3 times p will be remaining. So the remaining terms will be p q to the power 3 and pq minus 3. This is our answer for the D question. Now we'll solve the E question, that is 6x to the power 4 y cube z square minus x cube y4 z square plus x square y square z cube, and we have to divide these by 2x y z. So we have to see what we can take out. X 2 times we can take out common, y also 2 times, and z also 2 times we can take out common from this. So 6x square y square z square, if we take out common, then here 2 times x will be remaining, so x square y minus here x y square plus here z will be remaining, and we have to divide these by 2x yz. So 6x square y square z square, x square y minus xy square plus z divide by 2x yz. 2 1s are 2 3s are x y z. So here the remaining term will be x 3x yz x square y minus xy square plus z. And this is your answer. Now we'll solve the next question, that is F question, which is 7a to the power 4b minus 56 a cube b square divided by 7ab. Okay, so we can take out 7 common among these, and also a cube and b. So 7 a cube b, if I take out common, so the remaining term here will be a minus 7 8s are 56, so here 8 will be remaining, and because already we have taken out a cube and b one time, so here only b will be remaining, and we have to divide this by 7ab. So 7 a cube b a minus 8b divided by 7ab. 7 will be cut, a will be cut one time, so the a square will be remaining and b will be cut. So here the remaining terms are a square a minus 8b. Okay, so now we'll solve the G question, that is 4p square q cube plus 8p to the power 4 q square minus pq, and we have to divide these by 4pq. Okay, these two terms have 4 but this doesn't have, so we'll have to divide these, multiply and divide this term by 4. So if we do this, it will look like 4p square q cube plus 8p to the power 4 q square minus, if we multiply and divide 4, so it will give us 1 only. Okay, now we'll take out common, so 4pq will be taken out common, remaining term will be p q square plus 4 to z, so here 2 will be common, and p cube q minus, from here if we take 4 common, then the remaining term will be 1 divided by 4, and we have to divide this by pq, 4pq. So if we divide this 4pq, pq square plus 2 p cube q minus 1 upon 4 divide by 4pq. 4pq will be cut, so our answer will be pq square plus 2p cube q minus 1 upon 4, and this is our answer for the G question. Next we'll solve the H question, that is x to the power 4 plus 2x cube plus 3x square, and we have to divide these by 3x. Here we can see that all the terms doesn't have 3 in common, so here also we have to do is multiply and divide with 3. So if I multiply the first term and divide it by 3 plus second term also plus 3x square, so now we can take out x square and 3x square we can take out common, so the remaining term will be 3x square. Here x square divided by 3 will be common, plus here 2 by 3 x will be common, plus here 1 will be common, and if we divide these by 3x square, then we can write as 3x square into x square by 3 plus 2 by 3x plus 1, and divided by 3x square. We can cut 3x square, so the answer will be x square upon 3 plus 2 by 3x plus 1.